Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is factorizations, and in that class we take and solve some important questions based on that. Now in today's class we take and solve some other important questions of your NCERT exercise based on factorization and solving them. And take a question is and the question is Jason, factorize the expression factorize the expression factorize the expressions and dividing them. Okay, factorize the expressions and dividing them. And your question is expression is for 39y cube in bracket 50y square minus 98, 50y square minus 98 divided by 26y square, 26y square in bracket 5y plus 7, 5y plus 7. Now let's simplify them. Okay, so now look, dear students, so first of all we factorize the given expressions in both the numerator and denominator, then we simplify them. So let's see. So first of all, given expression that is this is 50y square minus 98 divided by 26 y square and in bracket 5y plus 7. Okay, now what I do, let's see. First of all, we factorize, we do the prime factorization of the constant term. So look, first of all we write 39 as 13 into 3 and y cube we write as y square into y. Okay, now in these two terms we take as we can write as 2 into 25 y square minus 49 into 2. We do factorize because of in both the terms 2 is a common factor. Now divided by 26 we can write 13 into 2 into y square write as it is. Okay, and into this is 5y plus 7, 5y plus 7. Okay dear friends, this is clear. Now look, in both the numerator and denominator, look, y square and y square is cancelled to each other, y square cancelled to each other, and here now look, the 13 is also cancelled to each other, 13 and 13 also cancelled to each other. Now what we get, look, we get as 3 into, we take 2 as common, so we get what, this is 25 y square minus 49 divided by, this is 2 into 5y plus 7 is left. No, this is 2 cancel to each other. Now we get, this is 3 into, we can write 25 y square as we can write 5y whole square minus we can write 49 as we can write 49 as 7 square divided by 5y plus 7, 5y plus 7. Okay dear students, now look, now we can write, this is 3 right as it is, so 3 right as it is into, this is the form of a square minus b square, this is we can write it a plus b into a minus b upon, in the denominator we write as 5y plus 7. Now 5y plus 7, 5y plus 7 is also cancelled to each other, so we get as 3 into in bracket 5y minus 7. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay. So dear student, in this way you can solve that type of question. This is one of the most important question of your syllabus. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions, and after that you complete your NCERT exercise. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Let's see. Now the question is, divide divide 10y in bracket 6y plus 21 divided by 5 2y plus 7. This is the question. Now we apply the same method and solving that question. Now let's see its solution. So first of all we write given 6y in bracket 6y plus 2 divided by what? 5. This is 2y plus 7. Now first of all we do the prime factorization of in the numerator, and we take some number is common, some constant or variable is common or not. Now look, so we can write this 10 as 5 into 2 into y, right as it is, into, from these two terms we take 2 as common. We take 2 as common, so we get 2 3 are 6, 3y plus, so sorry, this is 21 na? Sorry, this is 21. So from these two terms we take 3 as a common. We can write 3 into 2y plus 3 into 7, and in the denominator we can write 5 into 2y plus 7 as it is. Okay. Now look, here this is 5 cancel to each other, so we get this is 2 into y into, we take from there we take 3 as common, so we get what? This is in first term, this is 2y is left. Okay, look dear friends, first of all 2 write as it is, because of 5 is cancelled to each other from the numerator and denominator, and from these two terms this 2y is left, from these two terms 3 take as common, and this is 2y plus 7 common, this is 2y plus 7. Now 2y plus 7, 2 plus 2y plus 7 is cancelled to each other, so we get as what? 2 into 3 into, that is 3 to the 6, so this is 6y. 6y is the required solution of the given question. So this is the method to solve that type of question. So please dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions, and after that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics in this way. This is one of the most important questions. So please dear student, do more and more practices and complete your NCERT exercise. Okay. Now dear students, we take and solve some other important questions related to that chapter. Let's see. Now we take some other important question. Divide 5p square minus 25p plus 20 divided by p minus 1. Now let's see its solution. This is a very important question. Let's see. So first of all, we write in the given polynomial 5p square minus 25p plus 20 upon, we write p minus 1 as it is. Now first of all, we take 5 as common. So if we take 5 as common, so we get this is p square minus 5p plus 4 divided by p minus 1. Now we factorize this, so we get as 5 p square minus 4p minus 1p plus 4 divided by p minus 1. Now this is from these two terms, p as common, so we get p minus 4 and minus 1 as common, to p minus 4, and in denominator we write p minus 1 as it is. Okay. Now what I do, now we take p minus 4 as common, so this is 5 into p minus 4, this is p minus 1 upon this is p minus 1. P minus 1 cancel to each other, so we get 5 into p minus 4. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so in this way, you can solve some other important question based on these topics. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on factorizations. Let's see. Now we take the question, factorize. The question is factorize the expressions and write the expression and factorize the expression and divide, and your expression is 5p cube in another bracket p square minus q square p square minus q square divided by 2p in bracket p plus q. Okay, so this is a very important question. Now let's see its solution. First of all, we write the given expressions. Okay, so look, given expression, this is 5p divided by 2p p plus q, 2p p plus q. Now first of all, we factorizing them. So now look, this is the based on the identity a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So This is we can write 5 p q. Here we can write p plus q and p minus q, and in division 2p in another bracket this is p plus q. Now what I get, look, this is p plus q is what cancel to each other, and here p and 1p is cancelled to each other, so we get what, this is 5q, in another bracket this is p minus q upon 2. This is the required solution of the given question. So in this way, dear friends, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. So please dear friends, do more and more practices of that type of questions, and after that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Okay, now look, divide divide 7x square, first one is 7x square y square z square divided by 14xyz, and second part of this question is what, minus 20 x to the power 4 divided by 10x square, 10x square. Now let's take solution. We take first part of this question. We have what we have, this is 7x square y square z square divided by 14 xyz. Now look what I do for that. Now look, this is 7x square, write x into x, y square write y into y, we just factorize them, and z square is z into z divided by 14, we can write 7 into x into y into z, right, as it is. Now look, x cancel, y cancel, z cancel, 7 cancel, so we get what, x y z in the numerator and divided by 2. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, similarly we take and solve the first part of this question. Let's see. Now we take and solve the second part of this question. We have, this is minus 20. So let's see. So we have minus 20 x to the power 4 divided by 10x square. So we get minus 20 x to the power 4 divided by 10x square. So we can write as minus 10 into 20 into x square into x square upon 10 into x square. Okay, now x square is cancelled to each other, 10 cancelled to each other, so we get minus 2x square. So this is the required solution. Okay, so in this way, dear friends, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Thus, dear friends, in next class we take and solve some other important questions based on factorization. So first we revise all the questions and do more and more practices of the NCERT exercise. Okay, just now thanks to all.